Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will compare Excel versus Karan. We will explore their core functionalities and how they cater to diverse user requirements. Excel is renowned for its broad applicability, serving millions globally for everyday data management. Karan, on the other hand, might present a more focused approach, potentially excelling in niche areas. Our discussion will help you understand which tool aligns better with your specific data handling objectives. When it comes to user-friendliness, Excel often takes the lead with its intuitive design and vast community support. Most users can quickly grasp its basic functions, making it highly accessible. Karan, while powerful, could demand more initial effort to master its unique functionalities. Its interface might be less conventional, potentially appealing to a more specialized audience seeking particular capabilities over general ease of use. Regarding data capacity, Excel has a practical limit of about 1 million rows per worksheet, which is sufficient for many tasks. However, for truly massive datasets, Karan might offer superior performance and scalability, potentially handling billions of data points without significant slowdowns. Its architecture could be optimized for big data processing, making it a more robust choice for enterprise-level analytics where data volume is a primary concern. For advanced features, Excel provides powerful tools like pivot tables, complex formulas, and VBA for automation. Karan, however, could specialize in areas such as advanced statistical modeling, predictive analytics, or machine learning integrations, offering capabilities beyond standard spreadsheet functions. When considering investment, Excel typically comes with a subscription, while Karan might have different pricing models, potentially including open-source options or higher-tier enterprise licenses.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.